Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'll show you how to change your email on X. It's easy, just keep watching. You will go into your account on X and then you will click on your image here. Then you will go into setting and privacy. After you click on setting and privacy, you will click on your account and then account information, and here you will see all your information on your account, including your email. Here you will click on your email and then here you will enter your password for your account, and then you will click on next. After you click on next, you will enter here the new email that you want to change, and after you enter your new email, you will click on this checkbox and then click on next. After you click on next, congrats, you have changed your new email.